If you are over 40 years old, this haircut is going to help make you look younger. And what does that mean? Well, it's going to give you volume, it's going to give you lift in your hair, and it's going to be a much more youthful, sexy, in my opinion, hairstyle for you. Now, the haircut, and the reason I have this in the face like this is kind of like my signature medium length layered women's haircut. This is a style, this is a haircut that literally I've done hundreds upon hundreds of times. Every time I've done it on a client of mine over the years, they've looked younger, they've felt more attractive, and it's literally because of the shape that it has. And it's going to give you lift in your hair, it's going to give you volume, and also make you look and feel younger. So, the reason that I have this right here is to show you that a lot of this hairstyle is based off of layers and the external shape, as well as the internal shape, which is the layering. You have the option on how short you want this to be. This is here's the nose right here, the front of the face, and this is where I usually tend to cut this as far as the layer. Now, I've said this a bunch of times in my videos where however long this is here, that's where it travels back. How long it is here, that's where it travels. So these layers are going to start to live in this area right in through here. I think with the length being that a true medium length, which is like maybe just above your shoulders, it's a great balance to where this is the perfect length to start that flow and start that layered shape. Now, what I tend to do when I would cut this, and I have dozens of tutorials, I even have a private course that I've created that you can purchase showing you this haircut step by step off of YouTube. It's in the description down below. This haircut is styled with my ceramic ionic round brush. And how I style this, it's by basically pulling the hair all forward like so. And when blow drying it, and I do have my blow dryer handy, this is my blow dryer. When you blow dry the hair, you want to have it all going towards the face like this. And what happens is when you blow dry the hair towards the face, it's going forward. So in order for it to create that volume, you always want to go against it, which is going to create that lift. So I'm going to actually do this in real time. Now this is on fully dry hair. I am going to take my Tidal Wave sea salt spray, which is a volumizing sea salt spray. It's my #1 best-selling product. I'm going to spray 1 spritz on the root area there, 1 spritz on the root area there, and then 1 spritz there, 1 spritz on top. That's it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow dry this and show you what kind of volume you can get. Full speed, full heat, let's go. Now I'm going to pause right here, and I want you to notice that, and this is very important when styling, the nozzle of the blow dryer and the brush are working in sync together. Very important to note that. Okay, notice how smooth that hair is. Look at how voluminous that is, and I'm gonna turn the mannequin head so you can see now. Everything is towards the face, but look how shiny, look how healthy that is. That's because of the ionic technology with the blow dryer, the ceramic and ionic technology in the brush, tidal wave, all that works together. So what you do is you bring the head back after you're done blow drying that, and then you're going to take your hands and rake this all through. You're gonna rake this all through depending on however you part your hair, and look how beautiful that is. Look at that gorgeous shape right into the front here. This is all because of the haircut. And this, in my opinion, makes you look more youthful. It makes you look more sexier, in my opinion. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous haircut. You could tuck this one side behind the ear if you want. But it's all about this, creating that arch right through here. It's giving your hair a lift, almost like a facelift. It's giving you that lift. And then lastly, if you want a kind of really light, workable, matte finish hairspray, this is my Locked hairspray. If you want something a little bit stronger than this, I have my Locked XL, which has a different fragrance, which I like honestly better. This is more of a matte finish type of spray, very, very light. You can spray this on. It's like a texture powder spray in a sense, where it's gonna give you very, very light hold. Spray that on right there. And this way you have something in your hair that will hold it very, very lightly. And that's it. So the haircut is all about having the right layers, which again are medium length layers. It's all about having that beautiful shape. And this is really done on straight hair. You can have thicker hair, finer hair. It's gonna add a lot of life, a lot of lift to your hair, to your face. It's a really, really great haircut for someone, I would say, 40s, 50s or so, because it's a very youthful, seductive, very sophisticated type of hairstyle. If you want to purchase any of these products, you can actually purchase them right here where it says View Products, or you can go to my website, shop.thesalonguy.com, and you can use code YouTube20 for 20% off, which is a special VIP discount here on YouTube. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Do you have this hairstyle? Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.